FarmManager 4 dashboard provides an overview of the status of each flock. The key performance indicators such as water, feed usage and growth are listed in an easy to interpret grid. By using the date slider, it is possible to get an idea of the overall situation at any point in the round. Depending on whether the day measure falls within or outside the pre-planned range, the measurement cells will flag green for OK or red for not OK. By selecting flocks from the farm menu, it is also possible to look at historical information and compare with current flocks. To get a further insight, by double-clicking on a particular cell, it is possible to expose a more detailed graph, allowing the user to visualize the current situation on trends. By left-clicking and dragging right over a particular area, it is possible to zoom in. To zoom out, carry out the same action in the opposite direction. At the top of each graph is information relating to the particular day.